So I came across a Linux distro called iLinux OS or iLinux, and it's not quite what I expected. It's available on AMD and Intel and Raspberry Pi, and it seems so far to have everything, including the kitchen sink. Just looking at the website, they talk about innovations, how it runs on old computers, how it's portable. It comes with 500 free pre-installed apps. For me, that's a scary thought. Adaptive user interface, launcher, easy access, live updates, fresh content in your extras folder. Not gonna lie, I really want to see what's in that folder. And system server, private recovery, access or disk formats. At this point, you get the idea. This allegedly seems to have everything, including the kitchen sink and all the faucets or taps. Including here, looking at let the games begin, the apps allegedly that it has pre-installed, servers, functionality that it's got, control. It's just whatever this is, it just seems to have a lot. And if you compare it with other distros, allegedly, or other operating systems here they talk about how it's got 500 plus pre-installed apps and other stuff, 30, and a whole list of like 750 wallpapers included, 2,000 ports and fonts. So this, as you can imagine, after seeing all of this, I was really interested in trying this out, because you don't see this every day. And when I went to download it, I went and got the iLinux OS 2, and there's two download options for it. There's a normal download from filing, which kept failing every single time. And eventually from the official torrents. And what I was really surprised at was the size of the file. It was over 23 gigs. Yes, you heard me, 23 gigs file. And if that wasn't enough, it came downloaded as an image file, .ing, which annoyed me to say the least, because the idea is that you're supposed to copy the ing image onto a working drive or partition, etc. And you can use, of course, one of their versions for iLinux, the iLinux OS IRP install recovery in private mode, which I didn't see before that. So I've got the iLinux OS 2 Galaxia image, and I have gone and using Quemio, I've converted it from an ing to a QCOW image format that essentially Virtual Manager or KVM can read. So hopefully it's going to start up. Just before that, of course, this OS has updates, and it does look like it's based on, it's definitely Debian-based OS. And what else? Well, if you're a business and you want to sell this pre-installed, you need to pay. So if you have laptops or OEMs and stuff and you want to sell this pre-installed, you need to give a fee of 20 euros per computer or device that must be paid. Support, really interesting here. You get all-round your support. However, for premium support, where they say 365 days of a year at predetermined times, so you can Skype them, Viber, AnyDesk, TeamViewer, and English and Greek. Cool. You have to donate. And how much do you donate? Well, if you want 3 days support for individual donators, not of your company, you're gonna pay 15 euros for 3 days support. And if you want to guaranteed 1 year, you're gonna pay 200 euros for a year of support. Cool. A business, reach out to the creator directly. Now that all of this is now said and done from what I've seen on the website, let's try to run the image. So opening up Virtual Machine Manager, And I'm going to go import existing image. And we're going to do this image here, which is what I've converted it to. So it was unzipped. It was 24 gigs. Unzipped it was 57.3 gigs. I've now converted, as you can see, so just 7.3 gigs. So yeah, and it is Debian, I'm just going to say testing. Let's give this thing quite a bit of memory. Let's give it a cause. And just call it iLinux and hope this thing starts up. Yeah, it looks like we're going to make progress. Don't know if there's a newer version or a different ISO. This is what I forget. Oh, right. Yes, there is a username and password, isn't there? And it actually did have it on the website. I forgot about this. Must be an install. Oh, user 1234. Okay, I'm sure I can remember this. User 1234. Okay, so remember this is pre-installed. So it's from an image. You don't, in theory, go install this like from an ICE image, which I would prefer if you installed it like any other OS or most OSs instead of transferring an image file, but doing it as an image file once it's been obviously preset up and configured, etc. First thing here, let me try to fix the resolution and see where's what. Oh, this is... Wow, okay. This is a lot of settings on here. Admin. Okay, let's do screen. Okay. Look and feel. Look and feel. Appearance. Let's definitely, there seems to be using Mate control center here. But displays. Okay. Let's change this to 1080. Okay, here we go. We've had discussion this fix. Let's take a look, and quite a lot of stuff installed here, so almost feel a bit overwhelmed. Let's start with welcome to iLinux. Okay, back up my files. Okay, pretty cool backup tool here. Nice. Install software. Okay, so Flatpaks, deb files, Electron apps, Steam games and software app images, updates, help. Even has Snap, web looks like it. What happens if I click on Steam? Okay, Electron apps. Oh. Okay, so Electron.js and apps. Alright, so this is just obviously profile link. So if so how would I install this anyway? Hello Steam. Okay, that's not helpful. Package update, app image update to help about checking your hardware. Change passwords, I'm not going to bother with that. Get open support. Okay, take this to the same link as earlier. Donate to Linux as donate. Okay. Give it a bit of at least for donation you get something different. I see them trying to be a little bit different than some other distros. My computer. Yeah, Kasha, so this is different here, mate. Or Mate. Set up here. Back to the control center, so about iLinux. About this computer? Oh wow. Buster. That's still a pretty old Linux kernel, eh? I'm sure there's probably an update for this that we can maybe look at running. System profile. Right. System server. Okay, use a self-generated key. Help. Open iLinux as a server. Okay. What was it? It was user and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is pretty spiffy. But Linux, Debian Linux 10. The setting is still supported. Okay, Whitman system. File system backup servers, tools. Much up. HTTP tunnel, SSH login. This version requires Java, but Java's not installed. Alright. Partitions on local disk. Yep. Cluster. Okay, so this is quite a lot of server stuff that you can pre-do out of here. I take it. Okay, live updates have started. Be interesting what comes out of that. Okay, so I'm just going to close this here about it. Okay, and then all these web servers here. So if I click on Apache, and you open up the default Apache address. Okay, open the web server. So start. Okay. Okay, virtual host config. There's just a lot of stuff in here, that's for sure. All of these control settings, iLinux menu. Dynamically access everything in a computer from a single point. I do like the fact that they've got some customized menus and stuff. Like, that is pretty cool. The heck, there's a lot of configuration stuff in here. Let's look at the software. Okay, just show me the software store. Maybe that's all first. And password, even a password generator. Good grief. A lot of configuration stuff you can do here. Mate tweak. I can get the GNOME tool, Fedora, look, I see there. Okay. And sound. Okay. Software repos. Software repo 1. Software repo 2. Another link, alright. Oh, IRP. There's an autonomous operating system embedded in an open Linux you can select from the just toggle. Okay. So it's a recovery environment. Well, too bad, and out of this disk usage. So out of that 57 gig image, there's 18 gigs free. Alright, so let's close that. When it's stored, didn't I just have this to open? No, here it is. Oh, that's here. Yeah. The repository and updated files are just going to be provided because the public key isn't working. Oh, decided to snap store. Alright. If I wanted to install this, let me tell me how it's installed. From the snap store default, that's interesting choice. Okay, let's look at software installed applications. When's my... Wow. There's a menu. Okay. Sheesh. Okay, so we don't need to go through these. I don't like a little launcher. I must look at the wallpapers just now. And the other random stuff. So this control center, the send control, send control. What is the list of the apps? Sister, what's sister? Oh, right. Roundy launcher thing. Okay. Oh, here's all the applications installed. Holy moly. I don't actually know where to start here. That is just the mainly type of app. They've got it. FileZilla, Firefox. Do these even work? Okay, so I double click on it. Loads. Oh, I found a little search thingy here. That's cool. That was my menu. Image Catman. Eats pills. It's fake Pac-Man. Bad Catman. Okay, let's first that. The fact you have to reopen this every single time is annoying. Okay, focus line, check for aim shot. All the Google stuff, you can tell this is this is... I'm sure there's a newer update. Well, when newer image symbols out here. Even OBS. The original OBS nibbles. Opera, Oracle VirtualBox. What? Pre-installed. Nice. It's just so much stuff here. WPS Writer. I know which update now to new dot. It looks the same as on most OSs. Except that. Like, there's no way, I'm not going to be able to, I'm not going to go through all of this, but it will be too long. It's just T-Wolf's Telegram, Time Shift, The Matrix. There's The Matrix. Oh, that. I should have gathered. It's an app with C Matrix. You can install for that, by the way. Check CD Epiphany. There's a game. It's just a lot. File management. That's preferences. Okay, that's... Sheesh, fine, quit. Yes. Okay, users home. Okay. Now, this is what I want to see. I want to see the extras that this thing originally comes with. Websites. Okay. Interesting, some links here. Cool. Let's go avatars next. Okay. Then let's, lot of avatars here. Okay, cool. Colors. Look there. I couldn't get that. I'm going to crash this. Here we go. Not often you see a folder full of different colors in JPEG, but hey, useful. Documents. No, there's nothing in there. Icons. Nothing in there. Music. Okay, yeah, these are links with it first. These are actual. I was about to say, like, you don't want to be distributing music files. And I'm not going to open these links because these links point to files in YouTube. And I'm in no mood for the copyright infringement audio thing. Okay, and then different sound effects that they have. Torrents? Oh, torrents of the OS. That's legit. Videos. Movie Central Chat. You know, I'm not having that. Okay, let's turn link. No, I'm not gonna. No. And wallpapers. Let's just do icon view. So a lot of wallpapers here. A lot. Sheesh. I don't need to... that's actually some pretty cool wallpapers here. I must give them their dues. Okay. Well, here we go. Here's some multiple repos here. Must be a way. Okay, what's this do? Shows me desktop. This shows me files. This searches for files. Yeah, okay. This application finder. Okay, so I must do it. And yeah, package updates of. Maybe it's this one. There are 433 updates. Dang. Okay, it'll be interesting to know if there's another version or another version coming out or something. Because I don't really see one on the website, or because this would be now 2 versions behind. Appearance again. Oh, iLinux Rainbow Sky. Okay, Forest. Oh, this is Tactical Dark Starship. Easy access to more apps. Look, I don't want to be funny here, but to me, you've got too many apps on your distro if you need 3 or 4 different application launchers. So, what do I think? Honestly, look, if it was easier to get this up and running than copying an ING file, I know the intention is you should be using maybe a really large external hard drive or another internal drive and copy the image over that way. Thankfully, with Quemio, I could just use Quemio. If I had to use the other iLinux SQL, I would have been incredibly annoyed. The fact that it's so difficult to get hold of this, the fact that it is so large, the fact it's in the ING file, then I have to convert it, and the fact that there's more stuff in here than I'm sure in some Linux distros repos, it's just too much. If you're going to use this, like, maybe rather have the option of installing stuff on top of it and have something in the medium. Like, imagine if you put this in a business user's machine or you release a machine with this on it. And I get the idea and the concept, and it's cool that they offer support, but it's too much. Like, if you as a Linux user look at this, and my first instinct is to run away screaming, just because it's so overwhelming. It's not a good sign. And the fact that there's so many application launchers and launches here is just confusing. So, yeah, this is, I've got to say, if anything, the weirdest Linux distro I've looked at so far. But if you've used it or you don't agree or you have other comments, please leave them below. And as always, thank you for watching.